to buy gala. You went to buy gala. Kills in Nigeria, they are not kills at all. They are just survival of the fittest. So if you think that you're just going to stand calmly, like, I don't like trouble, my dear, you're a joker. So yesterday I was thinking, like, is there anything we do in this country without queuing up? Like, just let me know one thing that you do where you do not have to queue up. When you get admission into the university, you're going to queue up to pay certain things. Like, you are going to pay, except you're high up there and high and mighty. Hey, you're not going to queue. But if you're down here, you are going to queue. You go to apply for your NIN, you queue up. You go to get it, you queue up. You want to apply for voters card, you will queue up. Go to get it, or you go to get it, you will still queue up. You want to go and vote, you will queue up. And then when we queue up and vote, we get what we are getting. Like right now, you understand what I'm saying? You go to the bank, you will still queue up. Whether it is ATM you want to use or you want to go into the bank, it's ATM you want to use. Maybe that's good for you. That's a lot better. But when you step into that banking hall, hi, that's see. Pray that nothing takes you into that banking hall, because, my dear, I have met different categories of people in the bank. I have had experiences with queuing up at different points. You just see somebody, you're already starting on the line, and you will see this person will just come from nowhere, like literally, and just enter the line. And you'll be like, from where to where, Oga? Wait. And he'll tell you, I was here before. You see that? I was here before. I was here before. I went to buy gala. You went to buy gala. Are you here to buy gala, or you're here for something more important at your age? Why are you going to buy gala? Don't judge me, please. I'm angry at this point. So I have to ask him why he's buying gala at his age. Like, why are you eating gala at this critical time? You will feel like you're in number 5. The next thing you're seeing yourself in number 10. Magic happens when you're queuing up. Serious magic happens. And then, do I talk about those people who pretend? Like, those pretenders, they'll be operating their phones and you will not even know who is on the queue or who was there, who wasn't there. Somebody will just walk up and say, no, the person will not even walk up to you. The person just goes to the front to go and stand there. And when you complain or you call them out, why are you standing in front? They'll say, oh, they'll be like, why won't I? But there's a queue. Oh, really? I didn't know there was a queue. Tap me. Like, you did not know there was a queue. So we stand here. What are we doing? We are doing head counts. Man, do you know that some persons even fake pregnancy just to escape the queue? Like, we're going to put a fake bump so that once, you know how they respect pregnant women, they want to cross the road, they don't let them queue up in Nigeria. So once you're pregnant, express, you have to be very strategic, or just strategic. When it comes to queuing up in Nigeria, you leave your house with that, you're mentally ready from your house, knowing that, yes, I know what I'm going to face out there. That's how it works. It's not about you. I'm a patient person. No, it doesn't work. Your patience, you outrun your patience. Outrun. Whatever. Okay, so I thought of sharing this hairstyle with us. Like, I love it. It's so cute. It's an old hair. Like, I've had this hair for over 2 weeks. It's Ghana weaving. I'm going to show you how it is. I'm going to show you everything, and just a quick step how I achieved this style. So stay tuned. See that? May not be exactly the same, but it's something close. So we're going to pick one here and type around this one. Let's take this to the back and put it somewhere. Maybe some stem. Put one of these colors here. Okay. There's also the color that I wear. Okay. So just take this one back and tuck it in into the braids. Just tuck it in. Okay. So this is it. So that's it. Just tuck it in. Would you like to try it? Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and keep sharing. Thank you. Till we meet again.